Extender is an optional module in Dynamics GP. It easily allows users to add additional information into the GP database and also associate it with particular windows and transactions in GP. Let's take a look at it. To access Extender, I go to Tools, Extender. This brings up the Extender window, and here are some existing Extender windows that I have already added to my system. Also related them to existing windows in Great Plains. Let's add a new one. I'm going to add a new window, and I'm going to add additional information to the item master file. So let me type in one about palms. The product will be Dynamics GP. The series is going to be inventory. The form will be the item maintenance form. Let's take a look at that. And the window will be item maintenance. In order to relate my new window to the existing window in GP, I need to select a key field. That'll be easy in this case. I'm going to use the item number, select that, and then I'm pretty done. And now I can add additional fields. You can see that I have up to 15 additional fields, but I can also add additional windows. So if I had more than 15 fields of information I wanted to add, I could add a new window. I'm going to add a simple list first. Be size. And you can see here the different types of fields that can be added in Extender. I'm going to add a list. I'm going to also add values that can be selected by the user. I'm going to add a date. I'm also going to add a text field. Just make that a long string here. And what I can also do is I can add these 3 additional fields and include them in the smart list for the existing inventory option. So let's do that. It's going to be the item master file, and the number and the key field's already been selected. So now when I open up the smart list and look at the item object, these additional fields will be there. So let's save that. Let's go in the item master file and take a look at it. Here's my item master file. Here's a particular item. All the Extender windows are accessible through the additional menu item at the top of the screen. You can see here's the new window right there. I'm going to select from my list. I'm going to select a new date. Add some additional text here. And save that value with this particular item. I can always go back to it and edit it if I want to, but that additional information is going to be associated with this particular item in the database. Let's take a look at it in Smart List. If I open up the Smart List object for inventory, here's a standard list. I can add the columns that I want, the new columns I just created. Here's the marketing description right there. I'm going to add it into the list, and you can see the value shows up there with that particular item in my smart list. Now Extender is a very useful product. We recommend it quite a bit to our clients, and I think you'll see that it's easy to use and can provide a lot of value. So if you've got Extender, why don't you try it out and see how easy it is.